Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now, if you've been watching the channel here, you notice that I've probably been talking a lot about the 2026 Ram 1500 Warlock that we see here, an article I posted the other day, as well as the new Black Express and Express models for the Ram 1500. And, a lot of people have been asking, is this the best that Ram's going to do? What about the heavy duty side? What's in the plans? Is there a new sport truck coming? Well, Ram is calling a whole new lineup of trucks sport trucks. That includes this Warlock as well as the Black Express models. But they're not done yet. So tonight, because it's 12:01, you kind of notice that, hey, maybe there's an introduction to something, and there is. We're getting to our first chances to look at the new 2026 2500 Warlock, as well as the new 2500 Black Express. So Ram is expanding their heavy-duty lineup with two new budget-friendly Buzz models. And again, these are following right in the footsteps of the 1500. So I've actually seen a couple people post in the comments, hey, why can't Ram do this to the heavy duties? Is there a Warlock truck coming? Yes, there is a Warlock truck coming, and they're bringing back the Black Express model for 2026. Now, this should make a lot of people happy, and the very positive thing about this, if you go on Mopar Insiders or hdrams.com, you'll see that my cohort Jared Belfour posted this whole article up there, and you can go and read it more in depth, but we're just going to break it down real quick here on the channel. Basically, these two new packages are based on the Tradesman trim, just like the Ram 1500 models are. And basically that means you're not, you're getting some serious style without breaking the bank. So the Black Express model, which is this one here, basically starts out at $53,735, while the Warlock, which is right here, starts out at $57,165, and that includes the destination charges. So if you've been watching me on live streams or other videos, you probably heard me complain a lot about I hate when Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram, they all say hey, it's $49,995 plus destination. Well, this is laid out as this includes the destination. So again, $53,735 for the starting price for the Black Express, and this is in US dollars. And the Warlock will start out at $57,165. And the best thing about this is ordering is open right now at your local Ram dealer. So you can go into a Ram dealer today and place your order for a 2026 Ram 2500 Warlock or Black Express model. And these trucks are scheduled to be delivered, or at least start arriving in dealerships in the third quarter of this year. Now, Ram CEO Tim Kuniskis, if you go on here, he basically said everyone likes a good-looking truck, but the challenge is making it more affordable while adding value to the entire lineup. The Ram 2500 Black Express and Warlock offer an attractive price with custom appearances while building on our sport truck leadership position. Now, again, the very interesting thing about these trucks is the fact that Ram is trying to expand this whole more factory sport truck kind of deal. And we're going to talk about what they consider sport trucks going forward. But if we look at the Black Express here, okay, this truck is actually really attractive. So the first thing you're going to see is, again, this is the more boulevard bruiser of the two. It's got a clean monochromatic look. So it's got a sport performance hood, body-colored bumpers, a body-colored grille. It's got the actual black inserts on the grille, as well as, if you look, it's got black wheels, and they're 20-inch wheels to be exact. It's got black cab-length side steps, and even park sensors front and rear. Now, if you look at the inside of this truck, this is where it gets cool. This truck comes standard with a 12-inch Uconnect 5 screen, okay? Unlike the 1500, where it basically has the 8.4, this truck will come standard with a 12-inch screen. You also get a cloth bench seat, carpeted floors. On the outside, you get the really awesome trailer tow mirrors that were updated in 2023. And it's available in a wide range of colors, including flame red, which is a very popular one for the old Black Express trucks, as well as diamond black. So if you like that all black, blacked out murdered look, you'll be able to get that too. So that is pretty much it for that truck. And again, it's a really nice looking package. We go down to the 2026 Ram 2500 Warlock. Now, Again, if off-road attitude is more your thing, then this truck is calling your name. So, like the Ram 1500 Warlock, this is only available as a crew cab 4x4. Okay? You cannot get a regular cab, and obviously you can't get a mega cab. Okay? So, what does this package include? Well, it's ready for the trail because it's coming with 34-inch Goodyear Duratrack tires, Bilstein shocks, hill descent control, skid plates, and blacked out grille and bumpers. And then if you look at the back, it's got that Warlock badge, just like the Ram 1500 does, as well as what the Ram 1500 Classic had that kicked this whole Warlock theme off. Now, if you're talking about power under the hood, okay, that's where it gets really good, because you get the option of not just having the 6.4 liter BGE or big gas engine, Hemi V8, which produces 405 horsepower and 429 pound-feet of torque, but you can also opt for the 6.7 liter Cummins high output turbo diesel, which was brand new for last year, with 430 horsepower and a best in class 1,075 pound-feet of torque. Now, when I say best in class, you might think like, oh, it's not best in class. It is. For the 3/4 ton trucks, it is. So both are paired to the ZF-based 8-speed, what they're calling TorqueFlite HD transmissions, and ride on Ram's exclusive 5-link coil rear suspension. And if you've driven one of the newer heavy-duty trucks, you'll know just even when that thing is loaded, it's super smooth. Now, this is where I'm talking about where Ram is kind of talking about what classifies as a sport truck in their portfolio now. So if you look at this portfolio, basically what they say is this includes the Ram Express and the Black Express for the 1500, the Ram 1500 Warlock, the Ram 1500 Rebel, the Ram 1500 RHO, as well as the Ram 2500 Black Express, the Ram 2500 Warlock, the Ram 2500 Rebel, and the Ram 2500 Power Wagon. So Ram is basically calling all these trucks sport trucks. So when we talk about, hopefully seeing like a new Rumblebee and stuff, it doesn't necessarily mean a sport truck like that. So I wanted people to understand when you hear sport truck and whatnot from Ram, it includes all these like special edition kind of buzz models. Now, both of the 2500 models are going to still be, manufactured in Saltillo, Mexico, and they're going to be offered in limited volumes. And I don't know why. I don't know if it has to do with trade or whatnot, but they're going to be limited. So if you want one of these packages, the best chance to do is go to your dealer today and order one. Place an order for one. So basically, if you're looking for street, style, you can opt for this really awesome Black Express model. And again, it's based on the Tradesman, and if you look at it, you would swear that it's a Laramie, because you get the Sport Performance hood, you get the really nice looking 20-inch wheels, and because it has standard LED headlamps, it just looks really, really good. And then if you look at the Warlock truck, you get the same kind of wheels that are on the Rebels, the 20-inch wheels. You get that rugged off-road look that, the Power Wagon kind of has, minus the weird funky grille. And again, you just look at the stance of this thing. It looks killer. Let me know down in the comments which one you're leaning towards if you're actually looking at one of these trucks. Do you like the Black Express or the Warlock better? And don't forget, we talked about these exact packages for the Ram 1500 recently, so you can go check those videos out if you haven't already. Make sure to hit like, subscribe, and stay locked in, because there's more stuff coming in the pipeline. So until the next time, I'll see you in the next video.